This is Ian, author of Google Drive and Docs in 30 Minutes. Today, how to reschedule a Gmail message that you've set up to send in the future. So I showed in another video how to schedule emails for the future. And let's say that I want to change this first one right here. Just to change the scheduling, basically click on it. You have to click Cancel Send. If you see this window here, select the rescheduling option, which is basically the downward pointing blue arrow, Schedule Send, and then set it for another time. So let's say I want to change it to 8 o'clock tomorrow morning before it was set at 1 p.m. And that's how you would do it. Another way to do it is to basically open it up, cancel it, and then go to drafts. And you can see it appeared at the top of drafts. So basically you'd go in, you'd select the downward arrow next to send, and then schedule send, and then go through the process again. If this video helps, please take a moment to like it and follow me. See you next time.